Today, Rochester played host to the dispute over a COVID regulation which was previously ruled unconstitutional. Advocates gathered outside the appellate court on Rochester's East Avenue as the court heard the final arguments in an appeal to this ruling. Some background here: in July of last year, Republican State Senator George Borrello and other plaintiffs won a lawsuit against the governor as well as the New York State Department of Health over a regulation that would ultimately allow the Commissioner of Health to issue isolation or quarantine orders in order to control the spread of the disease. The judge struck that regulation down, saying it violated constitutional separation of powers. In March of this year, New York Attorney General Letitia James filed an appeal on behalf of the governor and the DOH to try and reverse the ruling. Outside the courtroom this morning, Borrello, his attorney, and supporters of the original ruling doubling down on the fact that they feel the government is overstepping boundaries.
Our governor is using the Department of Health to ensure that she has absolute power. Absolute power. And if we don't stop them here, this goes on to other things. And it goes to other states.
They can't change the provisions of a law. It is not in their power. And that's what happened here. They overstepped their power. They tried to change that law. They tried to write a whole new law.
Cox says it will take a couple of months for the court to make a ruling. This may not be the end of the road for this battle. State officials could appeal the ruling again, taking the case to the State Court of Appeals in Albany. We have reached out to both the governor's office as well as the attorney general's and have yet to hear back.